And I am Dorothy Chloe H. Esqueta. And this is News Alert. This is the latest news for today. For the news report, Napolcom, all SAC 44 commandos deserve Medal of Valor. Trump advised to do a Duterte. 10.6 million pesos classroom building centralized. For the sports news, Battaliers challenging journey from UTES to UE. And for the showbiz report, meet Lady Gaga, soon to be celebrity, winemaker. The news report, Napolcom, also 44 commandos deserve Medal of Valor. Here is Muhammad Miras reporting.
The National Police Commission has recommended to President Rodrigo Duterte the awarding of the Medal of Valor to 42 members of Special Action Force who died on the Masapan ng Maguindanao on January 25, 2015. The Napolcom, chaired by men of the Interior and the Local Government Secretary and Napolcom President, Resolution number 27-77, dated January 31, 2017, recommending the conferment of the Philippine National Police highest awarded with the PNP Distinguished Conduct Medal posthumous on November 25, 2015.
Thank you, Muhammad. Report, 10.6 million pesos classroom building soon to rise. Here is Bibil Magdaluyo, report.
Thank you, Zyrel. Currently, the school has 8 classroom shortage, and according to Leonisa Eslavit, school principal, the additional classrooms will be given to the kiddie classes which are occupying an old makeshift building. And it will also solve the problem of big class of several sections. The said 2-story building is built under the Department of Public Works and Highways. Problem solved.
Ego.
Back to you, Zyrel.
Thank you, Bibil. Alert will be right back after this advertisement.
Uwishi? Yeah, it's a uwishi. Yummy! Uwishi, crunchy the outside, chili in inside. Uwishi is for everyone.
Arba, for the news report, Trump advised to do a Duterte. For the sports news, Battaliers challenging journey from UTES to UE. For the showbiz report, meet Lady Gaga, soon to be celebrity winemaker.
Thank you, Dorothy. Some White House advisors of President Donald Trump want the controversial U.S. Chief Executive to do a Duterte in dealing with terrorists and drug dealers and bringing down the crime rate in America. I got this information from an American friend who has access to the White House. In a phone conversation I had with him last week, my friend said many of Trump's close advisors admire Mr. Duterte's way of dealing with crimes and drug dealers. Knowing Trump, I'm sure he will follow the advice of his advisors. My American friend who is from California said, the advisors of the new but controversial U.S. President know that the peace and order situation in the country has considerably improved since President Digong took over. According to my friend, a frequent visitor to Manila, my friend had predicted that if Trump got elected to the White House, he and President Digong would become good friends. Back to you.
Thank you, Francis. Sports news, Battaliers challenging journey from UTES to UE. Where is Maurice Cristal, report.
Cyril, at young age of 22, this true-blooded general showed everyone that age does not really matter and show a lot of potential in the field. Edison Battalier, also known as Bonbon to his friends, and now making his name in the world of basketball. And once again, proved why General Santos City is considered home of the champions. Battalier, who graduated in UTES 2 in year 2010 and took secondary education at Holy Trinity College, is now playing for University of the East as one of their shoot guard in the recently concluded UAAP Men's Basketball Tournament. Back to you.
Thank you, Maurice. For the showbiz news, meet Lady Gaga, soon to be celebrity winemaker. Here is Belle Tubo report.
Thank you, Dorothy. When Lady Gaga jumped from the stage at the end of her heart-pounding Super Bowl 51 halftime performance, she plugged into something new immediately, winemaking. The Born This Way hitmaker is reportedly finalizing papers to complete her wine label video Girls. The name takes after one of the hits in Gaga's latest album, Joanne. There will also be wine coolers and punches in the line apparently. Back to you.
Thank you, Belle. It's all for today's news. And I am Zara Jan Artis, and I am Dorothy Chloe Esqueta. And this is News Alert. Good morning.